Can we hear the tapping now? Come on, tap. I'm recording this on night vision security camera. That's in bedroom. Go on, tap. Do you know, I don't know why they do it. They do it when I'm playing video and I can hear the tap, 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 and then I pause it randomly, just pause, and then you can hear it go tap, tap, and then it will stop until I start the video again. Damn you. What's that over there? What's that? Over there, what is it? Don't know what that is in purple. Can you see it over here somewhere? Some purple in night vision. Oh well, never mind. Right. I just thought I'd try it. I wonder if it's picked it up on this video camera. Security night vision camera up in top at room, monitors at room 24 hours a day.